Oh, I'm speeding, I'm speeding, whoa. Speeding, I'm speeding. No time to be patient, just got the confirmation.
Hello, hey family, it's me Kai Marie and welcome to another new video. Today I just got off work. I am hungry. I'm in the mood of cooking. Doesn't come out as often, but I'm in the mood of cooking, so I was gonna show you guys me cooking today. I'm not gonna really be showing myself, just wanted to do my intro and let you guys know what we're about to be getting into today. So I'm going to be cooking some nachos for dinner, and please continue to watch as I prep and cook these good old cheesy, gooey nachos, because that's what I had taste for. Just got off work. Your girl is damning. I got that from my boyfriend's mom. I remember we was at Thanksgiving. She was like, "Is the food ready yet?" I'm bamming. I'm hungry, y'all. So I am so ready to cook dinner. And yes, stay tuned. That's what we're about to get into. Okay. So we use some chili powder. We use some garlic powder. And we use some slap your mama. Until I find you, I will say the only words that you is this love, 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 is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love, 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 is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love, is this love, is this love? I'm willing and able, so I throw my cards on your table. I wanna love you. I wanna love and treat you, love and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together with the roof right over our heads. We'll share the shelter, yeah. Oh yeah. All my single bed. We'll share the same room, yeah. let this cook for 10 minutes. I think that's what the instructions said. Oh, 6 to 7 minutes. This is kind of thick. I'm going to add more water. I don't want the sauce to be too thick. I'm going to add more water. Let this simmer for 6 to 7 minutes. Now I'm going to work on the cheese. And on the cheese, it's already like pre-cut, so I'm going to add it into this pot right here. This is a can of Rotel. I got the mild diced tomato, green chili. I'm going to add it with our cheese here. And keep that juice in there. Okay. Then we're going to warm up our cheese here. Okay, so the meat is ready. I have it on low as we're waiting on this to melt here. I got it covered so that we don't lose the juice, so it doesn't evaporate, because I don't use any milk or half and half. I don't like to use the milk with my cheese, so I just use the Rotel juice, you know, to help with the melt. And then I'm going to cover this. This should like create some type of condensation and like keep it nice and like moist. So yeah, ta-da, ta-da, and we're almost done. So how have your day been so far? That's good. My day was good, y'all. Make sure you comment down below so I can read how your days has been going. And yeah, I'm just waiting. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Hungry, hungry, hungry. Alright. We get in there. We get in there. I'ma stir it. Go ahead and get ready to stir it. Almost getting there. We are almost there. I'm not gonna force it, so I'll let it cook for a little bit more. Covered. Okay, so it's nice and melted. It's nice and melted. And the meat is done. Okay, so the chips I will be using is the Dorito spicy sweet chili in the purple bag. Go ahead and add our meat. We got our cheese. And there you have it. It's my nachos. Voila. And I'm going to add, more toppings. But I just showed you something basic. But I'm going to add me sour cream and some picante. I wanted some shredded lettuce, but they didn't have any at the store at Target. So this is all I got. So that's the end of it. And I'm about to eat dinner. Alright, so that's it, y'all. Let me try with y'all on here. Let me get some meat and cheese. Here we go. Bon appetit. Okay, what to eat. I love y'all. Love yourself, love others as yourself. Self-love, babies. And I'll see you guys on another video. I'm hungry. I'm about to eat dinner. Peace. Love you. And that's my topping. Picante sauce with some sour cream. All right.
I'm so glad you're in my way.